Hey everyone, Joffrey here and welcome back to the channel. OPPO is back with a bang, introducing the latest mid-range lineup, the OPPO Reno 13 series. Today, we are diving into one of the most anticipated smartphone of the year, the OPPO Reno 13. OPPO has been pushing boundaries with its Reno series, and the Reno 13 is no exception. From its stunning design to its powerhouse performance, camera capabilities, and of course, the price. This phone is packed with features that could make it a serious contender in the premium mid-range segment. So, let's not waste any time and get straight into it. But before we dive in, don't forget the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest tech reviews and insight. With that, let's get started. First up, let's talk about the design. OPPO has always been known for its sleek and stylish smartphone, and the Reno 13 takes it to the next level. This phone features a glass sandwich design with an aluminum frame, giving it a premium feel in the hand. The back panel has this gorgeous matte finish that not only looks stunning but also resists fingerprints. A big win for those of us who hate smudges. Plus, let's don't forget, it supports IP68 and IP69 dust and water resistant. The device is surprisingly lightweight at just 181 grams and 7.2mm thin, and the flat edges makes it comfortable to hold, even for extended periods. OPPO has also managed to keep the bezels super slim with a tiny punch hole cutout for the front camera. It's available in two stunning colors for global version like plum white and luminous blue, the one I have here. And for me, the design is nothing special. Moving on to the display, the OPPO Reno 13 boasts a 6.59-inch AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate and with a peak brightness of 1200 nits. The colors are vibrant, the contrast is excellent, and the brightness levels are more than enough for outdoor use. Whether you're binge watching your favorite series or gaming, this display delivers a buttery-smooth experience. It also reinforced with Corning Gorilla Glass 7.1 for added protection. Compared to its predecessor, the Reno 12, the Reno 13 has improved pixel per inch density or PPI, which is 460 compared to 394 PPI on the Reno 12, and HDR10+ supports, making it perfect for streaming high-quality content. And let's not forget the in-display fingerprint scanner. It's fast, accurate, and conveniently placed. Under the hood, the OPPO Reno 13 is powered by the latest Mediatek Dimensity 8350, a 4nm chipset with the maximum clock speed of octa-core 3.35 GHz, paired with 12GB of RAM plus 12GB of virtual RAM expansion and 512GB of internal storage. This combination ensures that the phone can handle anything you throw at it, whether it's heavy multitasking, graphic-intensive gaming, or running multiple apps simultaneously. This is a decent CPU with more power and efficiency. Now let's talk about the camera department, the highlight of any OPPO Reno device. The Reno 13 features a triple camera setup, a 50MP main sensor with f1.8 aperture and supports OIS, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and 2MP depth camera to enhance your portrait shots. The results are simply stunning. The front-facing camera is a 50MP, which is great for selfies, vlogging, or even online meetings. In daylight, the phones are sharp, detailed, and full of vibrant colors. The ultra-wide lens does a great job of capturing more of the scene without significant distortion. And in low light, the night mode really shines, producing bright and noise-free images. For video enthusiasts, the Reno 13 supports 4K recording at 60 frames per second, and the stabilization is rock solid. Whether you're vlogging or capturing memories, this camera won't disappoint. Keeping the lights on is a 5600 mAh battery, which is a big upgrade to Reno 12 having 5000 mAh battery, which easily gets me through a full day of heavy usage. And when it's time to recharge, the 80 watts SuperVOOC fast charging is a game changer. You can fully charge the device from 1 to 100% in just 48 minutes. That's a great feature on this device. It has also the largest vapor cooling chamber in OPPO Reno series to deliver superior cooling even when gaming or multitasking. On the software side, the Reno 13 runs on ColorOS 15 based on Android 15. It's clean, intuitive, and packed with AI useful features like Screen Translator, AI Writer, AI Summary, and AI Live Photo, which can transfer files from iPhone to OPPO seamlessly, like contacts, photos, and videos. Now, let's talk about the pricing. The OPPO Reno 13 priced at 2,099 dirhams here in Dubai, which puts it in direct competition with devices like the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE and the Google Pixel 9. But for me, as personal preferences, it's an overpriced. It could be better if around 1600 dirham price tag. How about you guys? What do you think? And should you buy the OPPO Reno 13? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Alright, that's for today's review of the OPPO Reno 13 5G. And if you like this kind of review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.